Hi everyone, we have here all new Isuzu D-Max. The modes we have done so far on this unit, as you all know, the stock headlight and the fog lamp on this unit is very poor. The client wants to have a better light, so we install additional LED bar. We're using the rigid Radiant LED bar. This is a custom fit LED bar inside the bumper grill, and this is a custom made bracket. As you can see how sturdy the bracket is. This is how we make it here at PRS. The background color of this lens is blue. We'll show you. And for the aux light, next, we install GT Pro hood dampening for easy open on the hood. This is bolt on. Okay. For the suspension of this unit, we're using the Profender Queen Series suspension. The nice thing about the Profender is this is adjustable from stock to lifted without compromising the spring, because the body is the one you're going to adjust. For the rear on this unit lift, we are using the Tough Dog lip spring. This is a 0 to 300 kg load. Also, we upgrade the exhaust system to HKS exhaust system with carbon fiber tip. I will do a sound check. We also installed the ProLift tailgate assist on this unit for easy opening. This is the shocks. It will slow down the opening, and these are the two main going to help you close with one finger. And also we installed T-step for easy access in and out of your back of your pickup. If you're lifting your vehicle, it's better to upgrade your step board. We're using the Hammer electronic step board. This is a plug and play. And for the interior protection, the client chooses only the best. We're using the BF Film Ceramic Supreme Plus. This is the 99% heat rejection with 100% in UV protection guarantee. And also, we upgrade the interior light to high power. And also the reverse and the plate light also to high power. For the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the limited Vogue Racing. This is the DRX. This is the 2024 edition with race LPS center cap. This is black on black. We're using the 18x8 because we want a fender level. Wrap in BF Goodrich KM3 tires. See the stance on the unit. Before I forgot, we're also going to install ARB UVP on this unit and also smart cup cover at the back. We're just waiting the parts to arrive. Okay. See the stance. When I lift the pickup, I want to nose drop the front a little so that if you added more load at the back, the pickup will just go level. Okay. Guys, if you're interested with how we built here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. No to fake wheels, guys. And enjoy your long weekend, everyone. Stay safe always. Bye! Mwah!